Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate truffles. These are kind of my take on those trendy hot chocolate bombs which are going crazy all over social media, and I thought I'd make a lighter kind of version of it without having all the marshmallows and bits inside, just solid beautiful chocolate. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which shows you how to make them and gives you ideas for flavors and for all kinds of other yummy ways to enjoy these lovely hot chocolate truffles. So click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely recipe a try and what you think of it. So first we have to make truffles, and I'm going to make truffles a slight adaptation of ones which I shared ages ago on my blog and channel. I have got chocolate here. I'm going to use cream, just use any cream you like, and I'm using stevia to sweeten, but you could use sugar if you don't want. If you want them to be low carb, keto friendly, just use the highest percentage chocolate and stevia. Otherwise you could use any chocolate you want, and if the chocolate's sweet enough, you don't have to sweeten it at all. It is up to you, but we're going to start by heating up the cream and then getting everything cooking. Before heating up the cream, get the chocolate organized. So I've just broken up a whole block of chocolate, 100-gram block of chocolate, into a bowl here. Add on 1 to 2 tablespoons of stevia, just depends how much you want to add. Give it a little mix through, so that way when the cream is heated, you just pour it straight over. It dissolves the stevia and melts the chocolate. Now into a saucepan, just pour a half a cup of cream, and we're going to bring it up to heat, so not really simmering point, but just when it's hot enough, just before it starts simmering, we'll take it off the heat and pour it straight over the chocolate to melt. Doesn't take long at all. Just keep a close watch of it, give it a stir from time to time, but yep, it just takes a couple of minutes and it's almost at just about simmering point and heated through. So the cream was at just about simmering point. It's nice and hot, and just pour it straight over the chocolate. And straight away give it a good stir through so that warm cream melts the chocolate and dissolves the stevia. So you've got a beautiful pool of melted chocolate here. And now just let it cool completely. Once it's cool, pop it in the fridge for a few hours and it hardens up, and then we will roll out our truffles. So it's been a few hours. The truffles have been in the fridge and they've hardened beautifully, and so now it's up to you how big you want your hot chocolate truffles to be. You can do a teaspoon. I like doing a smaller size, a teaspoon, and then I might do 1 to 2 per hot chocolate for myself and my husband, and 1 for the kids. If you want to do huge ones that will just fit in your mug, then you can go for a tablespoon, but yeah, we'll do a teaspoon. I'll move the mixture aside. I've got a plate here to roll them all out onto once they're done, but I've also grated a plate full of chocolate. So it's up to you what toppings you want to have. You can just keep them plain just like that. So I've got my teaspoon. I've had my teaspoon of truffle. I'm just rolling it out into roughly a ball, and I'm just rolling it all over in the grated chocolate. But as I said, yeah, you can do whatever you like as your topping. You could melt chocolate and dip it in melted chocolate as well if you want, but I've got it just like that with a grated chocolate. And I'm just going to go through teaspoon at a time. This is a great task to get kids to help with. Little hands do well with these kinds of little tasks, but just roll them all out. It's good if you've got wet hands. It makes it kind of easier to roll them. Roll them, and then roll them in the grated chocolate like that. And we're just going to fill our plate with truffles until you have a plate full of truffles just like this. Now these actually are just beautiful low carb keto friendly truffles. They are amazing. I make them quite often as it is, but yeah, we're going to make hot chocolate truffle goodness with these. So I store these in the fridge. You can keep them in a container if you want to in the fridge. And when you're ready to have a hot chocolate, just heat up some milk or boil up the kettle, and then get out your favorite mug and pop a truffle or 2 in, and then we'll just pour over the boiled milk or water. and give it a good stir through. You can see the chocolate truffles there. It's getting smaller and smaller and releasing all the chocolatey goodness. Oh, just so good. But yeah, it's up to you. You can have a taste of it. If you want it richer, throw in a second truffle. But it's just decadent deliciousness. Just a lovely way to make a hot chocolate that's just perfect this chilly time of year. But that is the video for today, how to make these lovely hot chocolate truffles. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.